are you gonna do now?
Now I am gonna cover it.
Let's do that over.
Hey guys, today we are gonna do experiments, and if you recognize me, it's because I was on YouTube when I was little, and I used to read books with my mom.
That's true. And so now, who's your brother?
My brother is right there. He's 3. He's gonna turn 4 in March.
Say, hey, what's up, people?
And what's up? And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a candle, we doing this volcano. See that what you doing volcano?
Like you were saying, Jazz. Go ahead.
So if you're wondering why I have this happy birthday crown, it's because my birthday was on the 31. But we're still planning stuff, so I'm still wearing it.
Alright, so what we're gonna do today?
Today we are doing experiments.
So today we're doing Kids Labs Kitchen Science. We bought this at Walmart. We're going to be using, well, we need baking soda, some vinegar. We put the vinegar in here. And the first thing, yeah, we're gonna do is the rocket chip. And we're gonna do that one first.
The rocket chip.
Okay, so what we need to do is
Get these
put some vinegar in here.
We have to get all of these.
Here, Dazzy, pour some vinegar in here.
Okay, let me
Michael, we're gonna have Michael put the baking soda in the rocket.
Oh my god, that's too much, Mommy.
Yeah, way too much. We just need 2 ml. So
2 ml.
let's pour that back out and
2 ml.
Wait, Michael, don't move me, boy.
He's gonna move.
Oh gosh. Okay. All right. Michael, would you like to put the baking soda in here?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
And take these.
All right. Okay, here. Right here.
Inside.
In this little hole right there. Really not a lot. And just wipe off the rest of
You're
it.
doing too much this time.
That's perfect. No, you just wipe it.
Wait, you do it. You do it. Back up. Back up.
Bam!
Okay. Wait.
You gotta shake it harder.
Let me try. Okay.
So the next experiment we're gonna do is the volcano. So what we need is baking soda. We're gonna fill it up to the top. As we do that, we're gonna add a few drops of dish soap.
I'm gonna put some more.
You can use food coloring to make it red. We don't
No,
have that right now.
no. We're just gonna put pepper in it, maybe.
We've tried this before. It didn't really work. So it doesn't.
We're just gonna put it.
But
just for you
to
guys.
make Miss Jasmine happy, let's put some cayenne
And
pepper
it's
in
my.
it.
I want you to do. Oh, it's like glitter. It's
Keep
actually.
going.
Okay, some more.
Yeah, you have to fill that up to the top, girl.
I need a regular spoon.
Give me this. I got this.
I want the regular spoon. It's better.
Okay.
I want to help
Alright, hold on.
It's better for me.
Yeah, it would be faster with a bigger spoon, but hey,
It's okay. Yeah, you could just.
I'm almost there. Almost
Okay,
there.
almost there.
Alright.
I take care of this. Here.
Alright, so
I'm
now
gonna touch it.
she wants to touch baking soda. Add a few drops.
Okay.
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 Hey guys, make sure to subscribe to me at Hey It's Angie with 2 E's. So yeah, okay.
Mom.
This is experiment number 3. Stick this
In the line.
in the line. Oh gosh.
Mommy, I take it out.
Alright, we're gonna stick that in and where's the box so I can see? We also need a fork. I don't know where the fork went.
Michael dropped it.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're going to. Where's the box? We're gonna look at the box. See what it says. All right, the black wire. Let's
Black.
put it in
Type my Okay, that's cool. I have the fork.
and the red wire we're going to wrap around the fork.
Wrap it. Wrap it around. And then put it inside of the lemon. Or whatever. You have to put
Oh, you're right. And then I have
lemon.
to. Damn, you see? She's so smart, isn't she, guys?
Now let's see what happens.
There you go. It turned on.
Wait, let me see. Oh my god!
That is so cool. So let's see. Let's Jazzy, take the fork out and see what happens. Take the fork out.
Okay.
Look, it turns off.
Watching my video. Hit that subscribe